Hello Wanderer. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. All right. Habang ako ay umiikot sa Angeles, kasama ko ang partner ko.
Hi!
Say
Sabi po sa inyong lahat.
like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah! Even though you cannot see me, nasa likod po ako.
Alright. Habang kami ay umiikot sa Angeles City, Pampanga, ako ang maririnig nyo sa background nyo na nagsasalita. I may have to take out the audio para hindi kayo malito sa mga sinasabi namin. Alright, umpisahan na natin. Ang buhay ng motor ay ang makina. Ang buhay ng makina ay depende sa pag-aalaga ng may-ari ng motor sa makina. A motorcycle engine's life will vary on how we treat our motorcycles. How often we do an oil change, how we use it, how frequent we ride it, for how long or how fast we ride, etc., etc. One very important thing that comes to mind when motorcycle engine maintenance is discussed: engine oil. Anong gamit mong oil? Magkano yung ganitong oil? Maganda ba tong oil? Langis. Ang buhay ng makina. We're not talking about brands here. We're talking about oil grades and classifications and how they work. Bakit nga ba mahalaga kung anong klase ng langis ang gamit mo sa motor mo? Mahalaga sa kadahilan ng subukan mo magkamali, wala ka ng motor bukas. Lupit ko, di ba? Grabe naman ako. Bukas agad, di ba pwedeng ngayon na? Kung ngayon ka palang naligaw sa channel na to, please click that subscribe button, like, comment, and share. Manood ka lang, baka may matutunan ka dito, o baka wala. To start up, ano nga ba ang motorcycle engine oil? Motorcycle engine oil, or simply referred to as motor oil, in general is a lubricant that you put into your engine to protect it from stress, reduce friction and wear, clean your engine. Nilalagay natin yan para di mag-overheat ang makina, di masira agad, di kalawangin, and in some cases, ito ay may kinalaman sa fuel efficiency. Sa madaling sabi, it protects your engine. If you want to know more about how motorcycle oil is circulated inside your motorcycle engine, you can visit Born to Ride Philippines channel. He has an explainer for that. You can find the link below in the description or click the link above. Okay, selecting the right kind of oil. Meron tayong tatlong klase ng motor oil: mineral oil, semi-synthetic, and fully synthetic oils. Ang mineral oil ay isang klase ng oil na extract ng crude oil. In short, it's a refined raw. Hindi ito yung Kawasaki Z oil to. Kumbaga, byproduct siya ng crudo na may additives for engine protection. Kung ikukumpara mo siya sa tubig, siya ay filtered water. Yan. Semi-synthetic oil naman is a combination of mineral and synthetic oils. Kung sa tubig, siya ay mineral water. And fully synthetic oil, on the other hand, is well refined and advanced among them all. Sa tubig, para siyang Gatorade. May electrolytes, kumbaga. Lahat naman ng tatlong ito ay somewhat galing sa crude oil. The only difference is how the oil is refined and broken down into their molecular structure. So, ngayon, ano sa tatlong ito ang best para sa motor mo? Depende yan kung paano mo ginagamit ang motor mo. Kung ang motor mo pang service lang, takbo mo 60 kph, ang pinakamabilis, pwede ka na sa mineral oil. However, you could benefit from using synthetic oils. Gaano kadalas ka dapat mag-change oil kung mineral oil ang gamit mo o di naman malalayo ang biyahe mo? Well, for me, at least every 1,500 kilometers or kung ano ang sinasabi ng manual ng motor mo. Although you could go farther than that, no? 1,500 kilometers on a mineral oil is good enough para palitan na yung engine oil. Lalo na kung nagta-tricycle ako. Paano kung nagbakasyon ka sa buwan? 6 months nakatambay yung motor mo. Pwede pa ba yung oil mo nun after 6 months dahil di naman umabot ng 1,500 kilometers ang tinakbo ng motor mo? Motor oils expire. At yung 6 months ay masyado nang mahaba. So you better change it bago mo gamitin ulit yung motor mo na na-stuck. Kung ikaw naman ay mahilig sa biritan, your bike is ridden with enthusiasm, it's ridden daily, it is a good thing to use semi-synthetic or fully synthetic oils. Oil change at least every 2,000 kilometers or maybe more, or as specified sa manual ng bike mo. Okay? Paano naman kung meron kang performance motorcycle? Mahilig ka sa racing, lagi kang may track day. I suggest you use fully synthetic oil and in some cases, even fully synthetic race-rated oil. As a precaution, magbase ka na talaga sa motorcycle manual mo dito kung gaano ka dapat kadalas magpalit ng motorcycle o ng motor oil. Performance motorcycles aren't cheap, so better treat it with TLC. Ngayon, paano mo naman malalaman kung mineral, synthetic, o semi-synthetic oil ang ginagamit mo? Nakalagay po yan sa label ng bote o galon ng oil na ginagamit mo. In addition to that, we have oil grades. Okay? The numbers that you see on the label ng langis na binili mo, yan ang oil grade. Oil grade determines the viscosity of the oil you are using. Viscosity is the oil's resistance to flow at varying temperatures. Karamihan sa mga oil natin sa Pinas ay multigrade, although there are also single-grade motor oils. Multigrade, ibig sabihin, ang oil na ito ay mas magandang gamitin sa mga lugar with varying climate. Sa Pilipinas, ngayon mainit, mamaya malamig. 'Di ba? Yung ganon. Use an oil with lower W rating kung nasa mas malamig kang lugar para di mahirap ma-start yung motor mo sa umaga. And the W rating is the oil's, yung nakikita mo sa bote ng oil na sabi niya 10W tapos dash 40, yung 10W, that W rating is the oil's grade for cold temperature. The lower the number, the less it thickens on cold temperature. Kasi 'di ba yung mantika o yung mga mantika, 'di ba? Tumitigas yan kapag ka lumalamig eh. Well, yung motor oil also has that kind of characteristic. Pag lumalamig yung klima, malamig yung makina mo, hindi mo ginagamit, malamig yung air temperature, lumalapot yan. The less lapot your oil is before your engine starts, the easier it is to fire up your engine. Okay? Kung mas malapot yung oil mo, mas mahirap i-start yan sa umaga. Kung malabnaw ng konti, yung sakto lang, mas madali mong i-start yan sa umaga kahit na malamig ang klima. Yung second set ng number, pagkatapos ng W, yung pagkatapos ng dash, no? Yan ang lapot ng oil sa hot temperatures. Yan naman, the higher the number, the thicker the oil is. It is recommended that you use high viscosity oil pag sobrang mainit sa lugar nyo. Kasi ganito yan, as your oil heats up when your engine is started, syempre, umiinit yung makina, umiinit rin yung oil sa loob niyan. The oil in it thins out, lumalabnaw yan. So lumalabnaw yung oil pag umiinit yung makina. Ngayon, pag malapot yung oil mo sa loob ng makina mo, mas may resistance yan. Mas kinakailangan ng mas greater force para ipump yung langis sa loob ng engine mo. Para mag-circulate ito, kailangan ng mas maraming force kasi mas malapot yung oil eh. Now, the thicker your oil is, the more fuel it will cost you because of the force that it will require to move the components and the gears inside your engine. But the thinner the oil is, the more your engine wears out. Yes, kung may negative effect yung masyadong malapot na oil, meron ding negative effect yung masyadong malabnaw na oil. So, mahalaga pa rin kung anong oil grade ang gagamitin mo because of these factors. It's complicated, di ba? But if you get this right, there is no need for you to call a mechanic for an oil change. Ikaw na lang gagawa niyan. If you want to get this right, you can read your motorcycle owner's manual dahil may page dyan na nagsasabi kung ano yung oil na pwede sa motor mo at kung gaano kadalas ka dapat magpalit ng oil at kung ganito yung temperatura sa lugar mo, ito yung oil na pwede mong gamitin, kung ganito kalamig, kung ganito kainit, ganito yung pwede mong gamiting oil. Meron yan dyan. Okay? So, kung wala kang owner's manual, siguro pwede mo nang pagtiyagaan to. Yan. Maglalagay ako ng link ng picture na yan sa description box sa baba kung gusto nyo gamiting reference yan para sa motorcycle oil ninyo. Okay. So that's it. Sana ay may natutunan kayo sa mga binahagi ko sa inyo. And as always, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Ride safe, Wanderer. Hasta la vista.
They need to wait more time to go back on their own houses. Oh my gosh! That is crazy!